Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to cancel an order on Amazon. Firstly, hover over your mouse over Accounts and Lists at the top right of the Amazon homepage. From the drop-down menu, click Orders. Now on the Orders page, locate the order you wish to cancel. Under that order, click View or Edit Order. On the Edit Order page, look for the Cancel Items button. Click it to move forward with cancellation. Now on the next page, select a reason for cancellation and click Submit Cancellation Request. You'll receive a confirmation email from Amazon once your order has been successfully cancelled. Just remember that after the first 30 minutes, you cannot directly cancel the order yourself. If it has already entered the shipping process, you'll need to submit a cancellation request to the seller for review. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.